This video will show you how to send a text or SMS communication using the bulk action feature of your system. Start by navigating to Contacts and select the desired contact records that you'd like to send a text message to. Click the Send SMS icon in the bulk action menu at the top. In the pop-up window that appears, you can choose from pre-existing SMS templates you've already created. You can also add merge fields or custom values. You can include an attachment, and you can also include emojis or smileys. Once you've customized your message, you can choose the processing to send all at once, now, send at a scheduled time at the future all at once, or send in drip mode, and you can customize this process as well, from the number of contacts in each batch to the time frame, days of the week that you'd like this to apply. Click Send SMS and the bulk action will apply.